Hi. So, first we're going to go over to the start over here. We're going to bring up the settings. This is just to show what it looks like before. As you can see, it's all white. There's nothing super special about it. It's just kind of plain. But I wanted to change that, so let's kill that. Let's go over here to the Windows, type in regedit, and we click that one, run it. And as you can see, I've already gone all the way over here to I went to high key current user, H key current user, then went to software, Microsoft, and went all the way down here, Windows, and then current version, all the way down, hit themes, and then personalize. What we're going to do is we're going to right click, we're going to hit new, we're going to go with D word. The D word that we're going to use, I put it in Notepad, is app use light theme. So I'm going to copy and then paste that in there. Use light theme. There we go. And now, because of that, I now need to restart. So I'm going to restart, hit continue, and I'll close. So the goal of this is to, instead of having everything in the plain white default setting, I wanted to have it in dark mode, which is significantly better in my opinion, because I'm a nerd like that. And it works out really well. With the regedit, it's now updating everything from my knowledge. And once it restarts, I'll bring up the setup so that you can see again that the setup has changed now to the dark mode. Once it finishes. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Sorry it's taking so long. There you go. Let me see. There you go. There you go. Now, I'm going to unlock my computer. Or the server. Hopefully it loads up faster. There you go. There you go. A little bit faster. So this one's not really a prank as much as it's something that's beneficial to anybody who wants to use it. Because I personally prefer the dark mode. Dark mode? Calling it dark mode. There you go. Click. Come on, come on, come on. There you go. Settings. Come on. There you go. And now you can see that it's all in dark mode, which to me was pretty cool that I can just set it up so that default dark mode. So there you go. That's me, John Varkey, doing the dark mode in regedit.